What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Gala, currency at 0.0226. We're up 4% on the day. Market cap 786 million, 24-hour volume 105 million. So we're continuing up in this impulse, leading diagonal. It's a three-wave move in an ABC, and the wave A is a five-wave move. So we have an overextended wave 5. We may push up and get rejected by 0.023, or we have a major resistance zone here at about 0.02344 before we see that pullback. Of course, anything can happen. You can just explode to the upside, but this is what we've been covering on the channel, holding that right shoulder, breaking the neckline, which we did. Nice little retest, and we're going to print the bullish cross tomorrow, the next day, which is a super positive sign, and see continuation up in this pattern. That will take you all the way back up to 0.0294, which is the target of this inverse head and shoulders. If we were just to explode to the upside, then that is your target. You do have some resistance along the way here at about 0.0264, but as of right now, we do have a nice five-wave move. Bitcoin is pushing up just a little bit right now, but if we do pull back from here, then we'll look for a three-wave move in a B before pushing up in a C to complete the wave 5 of this leading diagonal pattern. So far, so good with our friend Gala Games pushing up nicely. We'll see if we get rejected by one of these resistance. We see that pullback in a three-wave move. If we see a strong break of this resistance here of about 0.0234 with a lot of volume, then of course we can explode to the upside. But we are due for a little bit of pullback. Just looking at BTC, let me open it up quickly here. Yeah, so BTC has already completed a five-wave move. So I think we may push a little bit higher to stop out the short sellers here before seeing that pullback in a wave 2 and continuation back to the upside. We'll have to see how it plays out. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. This is one of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America. You can use BITUNIX all around the world. No KYC, no VPN, 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. And you can join my free Discord, which include my daily crypto analysis, as well as my Forex signals. We just hit our TP on gold. We did get stopped out a few times this week, but that's just a part of trading. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.